one is the resistance level, and then this one is the support level. So price usually will goes inside the resistance level, and then the support level, and then the resistance level, and then the support level, right? Am I right?
Right.
Okay. Okay, once the price break the support level, the price will go to the next. Hello?
Hello, yes?
Can you hear me?
Yes.
When the price break the support level, okay, what is the objective of the price when the price break the support level? What will it find?
Break out to go to the next support.
Yes, that's correct. So it will break out and will go to the next support, which is this one. And then if the price, if the price cannot break this one, this level support, it will go back to the next resistance, right? Because this one is after once it becomes support, and then once you break the support, it will become resistance, right? And this is what we call as BR, support becomes resistance. Am I clear? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. And then when it breaks the next resistance, it will go to the next resistance. And then if it doesn't break the next resistance, it will go back to the support level, this level, and if it's break the next resistance, it will go to the next resistance level. Am I right?
Right.
Okay. So do you understand this part?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, this one is for the support level, right? So do you clear about the support level, the SNR, the SBR, and the RBS?
Yes.
Do you have any question about that one?
Let me see if I have a question.
Okay. If you have any question, you can just ask me, okay?
Okay.
So right now we are moving on to the next topic. It is about story line. So we all know the biggest time frame for the storyline is starting from the monthly, right?
Right.
Okay, let's say resistance monthly, it will go. Price comes from the monthly resistance. It goes to the monthly. It will go to the support monthly. And the opposite way, from support, it goes to the resistance monthly. Same goes to the weekly. From resistance weekly, the price comes from the resistance weekly, it goes to the support weekly, and from the support weekly, it goes back to the resistance weekly. Same goes to the daily. The price comes the price comes from the resistance daily and ends at the support daily, and still the opposite way. From the price comes from the support daily and ends at the resistance daily. And same for the H4. The H4 is the short term for time frame, you know, right?
Okay.
Okay. So same. It's happening to my pen. Okay. So again, the price comes from the resistance H4. It will end at the support H4. And the opposite way, same, comes from the support H4. It will end at the resistance H4. Okay, in the storyline, from monthly, resistance monthly until support monthly, there's always a roadblock. A roadblock which we call which the roadblock is located at the time frame weekly. Okay, before that, okay, first of all, monthly and weekly time frame we use as the direction. the direction for us to know the price is going to where from where. Okay.
Okay.
All right. And then for the daily is what we use for to control the direction. Okay. And then for the H4, because in one day, there's 24 hours, so there's gonna be like 6 candle of H4 to complete the daily. So for the H4, we call it as to control the daily. Okay?
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, for the monthly and the weekly is for the direction for us to know the price comes from where until where. That's for the big view. And then for the daily, for us to trade, we are going to use the daily and the H4 because we are going to trade daily, right? So we're going to use H4 to control the daily for us to control it. Okay, now in the monthly, from monthly to monthly, there's 4 weeks, right? So the week is the roadblock for monthly to finish up the candle. Okay, and then for the weekly to finish it, the roadblock is in the time frame daily. And for daily to finish it, the roadblock is at the time frame H4. In conclusion, let's say that the price comes from the resistance monthly. Okay, wait. After this, I will explain about this. And then for the H4 to finish at H4, the roadblock is in the H1. So do you understand about the roadblock? Do you understand the meaning of the roadblock?
Yes.
Can you understand what the things that I wrote
Okay.
in the note just now? Do you understand everything?
Okay, let me recap what you said. You said for direction, we use monthly and weekly for our direction. And then
Okay.
the daily controls the
Direction.
And then
Yes.
the H4 now controls daily. Okay.
Yes, that's correct. Do you understand the meaning of the control direction and then to control the daily?
Not very well.
Okay. The meaning of the control direction. Okay, first of all, before
when the direction weekly daily get from weekly.
Because at first we know for the monthly, the roadblock is in the weekly, right?
Yes.
Yes. So for the weekly, and then the roadblock is in the daily. So the daily will control the direction of the weekly. Let's say weekly are going to the support, but somehow it has roadblock at the daily, so it cannot go straight to the support. So do you understand
Okay.
the rough view of it?
Yes, roughly, yes.
Okay, nice one. All right. So I'm going to draw a line. So this one is I'm sorry, my handwriting is really bad. Resistance monthly, support, and then this one is for the support monthly, and then purple. The white color, the white resistance and then the white support is for monthly resistance and support. Okay?
Okay.
Daniel, your name is Daniel, right?
Yes.
Okay, Daniel. And then for the purple is for the resistance weekly resistance, and then for the support weekly. And then the blue color is for resistance daily and support daily. Okay, let's say the price is from monthly resistance.
Reject.
The price before rejects the monthly resistance. So the price will go once, if the price rejects the monthly resistance, the price will go to the monthly support, right,
Yes.
Daniel?
Yes.
Okay. So supposedly the price should be like this, right? Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. But in monthly, there are roadblocks for the weekly. In monthly time frame, there are roadblocks, which is the weekly time frame. So let's say it's going down, the price goes down, it's about to go down, but then it stops here because it rejects here because there is weekly support. Do you understand?
Yes.
Do you understand? The price supposedly starts from the monthly resistance, ends at the supports monthly, but it cannot ends at the support monthly because there are roadblock, which is the support weekly, and it rejects the weekly support. So we know when the price rejects the support weekly, the price will go to the next resistance weekly. Am I right? It will end at the resistance weekly. Am I right, Daniel?
Yes.
Yes. So the price is going back to the weekly, but it rejects here because in weekly time frame there are roadblocks, which is at daily. Okay. So in weekly time frame, the roadblocks rejects the daily resistance. So once the price rejects the daily resistance, the price will end at the support daily, right?
Yes.
Daniel?
Yes.
Okay. So the price goes down to here. And let me show the arrow so that you can understand better. Okay. So once the price reject the support daily, it's supposed to go to the resistance daily, right? But it breaks the resistance daily. Let's say it breaks the resistance daily and it ends at weekly resistance. Because you know the price comes first from the monthly resistance, right? Monthly resistance, and then it going to back to the support, but it cannot reach the support monthly because there are roadblocks, which is in weekly, the support weekly, and then from support weekly, the price starts at support weekly, it should end at resistance weekly, right? And then it travels, but then it cannot stop at resistance weekly because there is roadblock, which is at resistance daily. And then we all know if the price cannot break the resistance daily, it will go to the support daily. So it goes down to the support daily. From the support daily, if it breaks the daily resistance, we all know if it breaks the daily structure, it will goes to the if it breaks the daily, it goes to the weekly resistance.
Daily to daily tak settle. Apa yang settle?
So from here, daily to daily has already finished, right? Daily resistance, support daily. So from here, which level that the price has not finished yet?
From where it stopped there. From where?
From here, the price stops. Wait, The price stops at here.
Okay. Delhi. Okay, it stopped at Delhi. It completed Delhi to Delhi. So now it will go, it could go back to daily or weekly, right?
Weekly, yes.
Okay.
The answer is weekly. That's correct. So the price will go back to the weekly resistance.
Weekly doesn't that.
So right now, weekly to weekly has already finished, right?
Okay.
Can you see the flow of the time frame?
Yes.
First, okay, from first monthly to monthly, right? But then monthly to monthly cannot reach because there is roadblock which is on weekly. And then weekly travels down from support, down to support, and then goes back to up, but cannot reach the resistance because there is roadblock in daily. So from resistance daily, it goes to support daily. So it is already finished because resistance daily to support daily is already finished, right? So the one is missing is the weekly. Is the weekly. This is weekly. Wait, let me clear back everything. Okay. So starting from here back. Okay. So first the price comes from monthly resistance. It's supposed to go to the support monthly, but it got stuck at the support weekly. So from support weekly, because the roadblock for monthly is weekly. So from support weekly, it should go to the resistance weekly, right? Am I right?
Yes.
Daniel?
Yes.
Yes. But it cannot go to the support resistance weekly because there is roadblock. In weekly, the roadblock is in daily. So the price go to the daily resistance, and then from daily resistance, the price goes to the support daily. So from here, the daily time frame has already finished, right? So the time frame that is not finished is for the weekly, right?
Yes.
So the price from the support daily goes to the weekly resistance weekly. So the weekly time frame has already finished, right?
Yes.
So the time frame that is not finished is the monthly. So the monthly can travel back down here to the support monthly. So do you understand, Daniel?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Check.
So right now we are going into the chart. Oh, I'm sorry. Daniel, for the time frame, I use the black color for the monthly support and resistance. Okay?
Okay.
No, this is the immediate hope.
So now the price rejects the monthly resistance.
But has
You see-
has it not broken out? Because the candle closed above the black line.
What?
Like you said, price respected monthly at the 1896.53. Has it not broken out? Because you can see that the candle broke out, like it closed above the black line.
Or you can because you can see the price close above the black line, right?
Yes.
Okay, wait. First, after this, I will teach you how to precise even deeper into the price. Okay.
Okay.
To storyline.
This is more to storyline first. This one which from the monthly resistance to the support, and then the weekly breakout, and then the weekly roadblock and everything. Okay. I
Okay.
will teach you the storyline first.
Okay.
After that, I will teach you to precise. Okay. So as you can see, the price rejects the monthly resistance here. This is the resistance monthly, right? So the price here rejects the monthly. So if it when it rejects the monthly resistance, the price will go to the support, right? The monthly support,
Yes.
right? So the monthly support, is here. Whenever you want to draw the line, the support and the monthly, you can draw it in the line chart because it can be even more sharp. Okay, but once you have finished drawing the resistance and the monthly, you can open up to candle to see the much clearer view.
Okay.
So from here you can see the okay. So from here you can see the price rejects the monthly resistance and then it goes down to the monthly support. So from the monthly support, it should go back to up, but there is a sideways over here. Can you see that?
Yes.
Wait. I think I used the wrong terms. I'm sorry. First, the price comes from the resistance monthly. It should goes down to the support monthly, but there is a sideways here. It should goes down like this, right? But it goes down like this, and then like that. So over here there is a sideways. Why there is a sideways over there? Can you tell me why?
Weekly red block.
Weekly roadblock. Yes, that's correct. So we go down to the weekly time frame. You open up the line chart.
So price ada turun.
So the price right now is let me screenshot. So the price is going down, right?
Yes.
So it should break the support level. So there the roadblock. So the roadblock is here. The support roadblock. This one. For weekly, I use the purple color. Okay, Daniel?
Okay.
Alright. And then this one. And then this one. And then this one. Okay. Once because the price is going down, so we should mark the level, the support level.
Okay.
So once we already have the support level, change the chart into the candle.
So we mark only support levels.
Because the price the price are going from resistance.
Okay. So you mark only key level support.
Yes. If the price is from support, so you must mark the resistance level, right?
Okay.
Okay. So as you can see,
Blok tak wajib di respect.
as you can see from here, the price comes from here, right?
Yes.
Okay. So the purple color is the roadblock level, right? 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Okay.
Right? So from here, like I said before, roadblocks should not how do I say in English? The roadblocks are not meant to be respect. Do you understand?
Okay.
The price can break the roadblock or either respect the roadblock, but the roadblock are not meant to be respect.
Why?
So do you understand?
Yes, but why? Can you explain why?
Because why? This over here is the proof.
Tapi
If
destinasi yang dia kena pergi.
the roadblocks is just a roadblock. The destination, the early destination is the most important thing. Like I said before, monthly we know from resistance monthly, it is going to the support monthly. But the roadblocks is the weekly.
Okay.
So the weekly roadblock should not be respected. Should not be respected. Yes, should not be respect. Like here, in our case now, what I meant with the roadblock should not be respect. As you can see, the price is coming from the resistance. This one is the roadblock level, but the price break the roadblock level. It touches the third one.
Teori make up. Tak support ikut ni support.
So this is where the theory we use the theory. If the price breaks the support level, it goes next to the support level. So the price break this support level, so the price go to the next support level. But the price reject this support level. From support it goes back to the resistance level. Resistance level which is this one. This one before this is support, but then it becomes support becomes resistance, SBR. So do you understand, Daniel?
Yes, lightly, yes.
So as you can see, the price from the resistance level, it goes once it finish the here respect, and then it touches here, touches the support monthly, and then it start the original. So you can hear from. I'm sorry, my English, my pronunciation is not that good. I'm so sorry, Daniel. Okay, so you can see from the resistance monthly, it should go to the support monthly, right?
Okay.
So right now we are going in the roadblock, which is the weekly. So from weekly, it should this is the roadblock level, but it break the roadblock level. So if it breaks the roadblock, if it breaks the support, it goes to the next support. So it goes to the next support, but it respect this level of support. So it goes back to the SBR, and then it respect the SBR. It goes back, and then the price goes to the weekly support. Goes to the support, and then straight away touch the monthly. So from here we can know monthly resistance to support monthly already finished, right? From here. So this one is finished. For the monthly, it's already finished. Okay. So when the price already finished, you can clear all the level. And then opens up back to the monthly, and then open up the line chart. So right now the price rejects this support level. Remember, use the back color, and then it rejects the resistance level, which is this one. So from here, you know, the price rejects here, from here, and then goes here, and then the price rejects here, and then the price should goes back to here, resistance, right?
Yes.
Okay. So now we go to the, after you finish the name, and then we opens up the candlestick.
Tadi kan sampai sini pun sampai sini.
Just now the price, did you remember the price just now that this one, the shadow level just now that we said just now?
Okay,
Itu
the
monthly.
monthly resistance
Huh?
to monthly support.
Ingat kita cakap tadi monthly kita tengok sekarang nak tengok dia naik. Untuk dia naik.
Okay, so just now from the monthly to monthly has already finished.
Resistance to support.
Resistance to support finish. So right now we are going from support to
Support reject ada jalan.
support reject. When the price reject the support, the price will find resistance, right?
Okay.
Okay. So right now the price comes from the support monthly going to the resistance monthly. But where is the roadblock? Daniel?
Weekly.
Weekly. Okay, that is correct. Just now this is where the price touch, right? The monthly support. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So supposedly this should be the yeah.
Reject support.
From support it should goes to the resistance, right? So this one is the opens up line chart. So from support to weekly resistance. Right, then we open up the candles. From here you can see this one, in your view, this one supposed to be breakout, right?
Yes.
Right. Yes, because the candle closed above the resistance level, the resistance line. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. But there is shadow. So for the zone, we must remember in weekly there are daily roadblock. Daily resistance, daily roadblock, resistance. So it's a zone. So it respect the resistance. It goes down to the support level here. But as you can see, the candle close below the level support. Am I right, Daniel?
Yes.
But as you can see, the weekly candle, there is a long shadow. So inside the shadow, there is a price. There is resistance and support for daily. So for that shadow, we mark the zone first. Yeah, mark the zone, mark the zone. So once we already finish mark the zone, goes back to the daily. So daily they are resistant, right?
100% lagi.
Wait.
100% lagi. Cakap ni reject support.
Before that,
Storyline.
this is storyline first. I'm sorry, I already mixed up the market structure. So the weekly, the price reject the support weekly, and then it should goes to the weekly resistance, which is this level.
Okay.
And then from here,
Break resistance ke cari resistance baru.
so when the price breaks the current resistance level, it will search for the next resistance level, right?
Yes.
So the next resistance level is over here. You see? The price, how do you say it? The price smoothly touch the resistance level and then respect the resistance level. So that's why you should use the line chart when you are marking zone. It's much more accurate. Okay, Daniel?
Okay.
So when the price reject the resistance level, the price will go to the support level. So again, we open back to the line chart. We mark the support level, which is this one.
Okay. Hold on. I have a question. Do you mark
Okay.
structurally support and resistance only, or do you mark SBR and RBS levels too?
For daily, for monthly, weekly, and daily, we mark the support and resistance. I think for that part I will teach you after this. Is in the market structure. Okay.
Okay.
Right now we are focusing on the storyline first.
Okay.
Okay, alright. So when the price reject the support weekly, it should go to the weekly resistance. So the weekly, this one we did, this one, this one, and then it respect this one. Okay. So the price comes from here, and then here, and then it breaks this level, goes to here, and then it respect here, it goes down to here because it respect this level of support. And then from support it goes back to here. This one is the has this level. This level is what we call the HNS. This one, because there is head and shoulder. Have you learned before the HNS?
Yes.
Oh, okay. You learn from who? Alif Awang?
No, Afax.
Oh, Alpha. Okay. So it respect this one resistant. Okay, this one we can delete already. This one we also can delete already. And this one we can also delete already. So
Reject resistance cari support.
So the price comes from here, right? Resistance weekly. So from resistance weekly, we ends at the support weekly here. And then when the price reject the support weekly, I'm sorry. I supposed to show it in candle version. Candle. Here. So the price come from here, resistance weekly, reject support weekly, breaks resistance weekly. So when it breaks the resistance weekly, it should aim for the next weekly resistance, right?
Yes.
So right now it is respecting the weekly resistance. So do you understand
Yes.
so far?
Yes.
You understand the storyline so far from the monthly to weekly, and then from the weekly to daily and everything?
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
Okay. can we take a 5-minute breaks?
Okay.
15-minute breaks.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright.
Because it's already night, so I want to drink something.
Okay.
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 So right now it is 9:50 at 10:05. At 10:05 we meet again.
Okay. What time? 10:05.
At my time is 10:05, so at your time it's supposed to be 3:05.
Jadi sekarang jam berapa?
It's 2:50 p.m. over here. 2:50.
Oh, right now, what's your time right now? 12:50.
2:50 p.m.
12:50 or 15?
2:51 p.m.
Oh, 2:51 p.m. So we are going to meet back at 3:05 p.m.
Okay.
Is that okay with you?
Okay, no problem.
Okay, alright.